You gonna knock it down the steps? No. Throw it down the steps. Get it. Get your toy. Are you tired? You've done it too many times already. Get the ball. Get your toy, Emma. Get it. Get it. Emma. Get the toy. Bring it here. Bring it here, baby girl. Good girl. Yay. That's a girl. Yay. You gonna knock it back down the steps? Uh-oh. There it goes. Oh, no. Oh, no. Gonna bring it back up? What are you gonna do? You gonna knock it down again? Uh-oh. Let's go get it. Good girl. You're such a self-sufficient puppy. Come on, knock it down the steps again. You gonna knock it down the steps again? What you gonna do? You gonna knock it down again? Good girl. Yay. You're so good at this game. I could sit here and watch you all day. Do it again. Yay. Go get it. Oh, you finally tire yourself out. You've only been doing that for the past 15 minutes. Yay, Emma. Was that a photo opportunity for Mommy? Was that a photo opportunity for Mommy there? Aww. I think so. She's been doing that for 15 minutes. I've been sitting here watching her the whole time.